I'm putting my spin on your favorite steakhouse onion blossom.
Okay.
It's my grilled firework onion.
I'm ready. I'm here for it.
Don't even have to heat up a deep fryer for this. You just throw it on the grill.
Like this. I
don't
So
believe
it's
this.
really easy and really yummy. It's a Vidalia onion. These are in season right now, and they're so sweet and delicious. And what I did was peel it, but leave the root intact. Now, cut just a little bit of the top off so that you have an even base.
Oh, you're doing this without the gadgets.
Just like that. Yeah, oh, you don't need any gadgets for this. And then cut it into quarters, but leave the root intact.
Okay.
Just like this. Okay, this is step number 1.
Okay.
And then each of these quarters cut into thirds. And you want to cut through it, but not through to the root.
That's
Yeah.
that's the glue that holds it all together at the bottom.
Exactly, exactly.
You notice Katie's not crying because Vidalia onions have less sulfur.
It's all about that good Georgia soil.
Therefore, you won't tear up as much.
No, they're
Now
really
watch
sweet.
this. See this? How it flowers
that's
out
amazing.
like a firework. And now I'm gonna season it up just with some little barbecue spice rub. And just give it a good coating in there. Get
I
it
feel
all
like,
nice and on it. I like to spray it with a little nonstick.
Well, they say
Yeah, I
that
like to really
the
cook this.
Vidalia onions are so sweet you can eat them like an apple. Raw.
I
Almost.
love it. Yeah.
Now this goes onto the grill, 350 degrees for 45 minutes, all right? So I'm gonna put it in there. Oh, I'm not gonna reveal it yet.
Well, you did. You blew it.
Not yet, because I'm gonna make a sauce to go with it real quick.
I didn't see it. We didn't see anything.
Yeah, I'm
All
gonna
right.
pretend I didn't.
Mayonnaise, more of that barbecue seasoning, some Dijon mustard, or you could use a stone ground mustard, some horseradish, so we have a nice little bite there. I'm gonna hit it up with a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, stir it together.
You gotta have a creamy dipping sauce for
Gotta
that.
have it.
Yeah, you gotta have a
Yeah.
dipping sauce.
No,
Now,
no
put it
ketchup.
right in here.
Ketchup.
Stop it.
Hey,
Stop.
Sonny, I'll put ketchup on anything.
Oh,
I was just trying to be with the boys.
Right, I'm gonna put this in my nice
that
little
Italian?
serving dish because we're having a party. I want it to look pretty.
And we're right at the height of Vidalia season,
What are the months?
which it is April through August.
Okay.
It's right there. Vidalia. Is that? Are we saying it right?
I used to
Am I-
say Vidalia, and then
Ooh,
I went back
Vidalia.
to Georgia, and they wouldn't let me in.
All right,
They
here
pulled
we
you up.
go.
They pulled you up on a.
The big reveal.
Oh,
Ta-da!
man, that is. Look at that. It does. It looks
Isn't
like
that a beautiful thing? So 45 minutes. The grill's about 350.
That's beautiful.
So let's get it onto our plate here.
That is really pretty.
Very impressed.
I know
with
for a
this.
fact that the famous restaurant
There you go.
version of the deep fried version has like 8,000 calories
Yeah.
or something. This is way healthier.
This
Should we
is a
share?
much healthier option.
You already know it.
I don't care.
Yeah. So go in there.
Oh, look at that. Pulled right away. Is it super hot? Am I going to burn myself?
This is bomb diggity.
I mean, the great thing about this, Katie, is it's so easy, but you can actually taste the onion.
Amazing.